Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create a light effect on CapCut. So first, you're going to select your video, and then you are going to go to Effects, Video Effects, and you are going to find Comic. So find that. Then you are going to go to Neon, and you are going to press the checkmark button and adjust it till the end of the clip. Then you are going to go to Video Effects again, go to Shadow, where is that? Here you go, and click on Angel, press the check mark button and adjust it till the end of the video. Go back and go to Overlay and add in a color for the light. I'm going to choose a blue, I think it looks the best. So press Add Overlay and add in the blue color. And then I'm just going to press Add and make it so it fits the frame. And I'm just going to, again, adjust it till the end of the video. Go to Splice and click on Slide and press the checkmark button. And you are going to just export the video. Press done, go back to the project and go to effects and delete all of the things you put on. Again, you also want to click on overlay, click on the blue color and press delete. You are then going to go to overlay again and add in the video that you've exported. And I'm just going to put it like this so it fits the whole frame. Go to splice and go to lighten. Press the checkmark button and you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!